Welcome to The Foodie. The Foodie this week is in Udaipur, Rajasthan, or what is called the Mewar region. The Mewar region boasts of a little known but unique cuisine called the Bedla or Karan cuisine. So come with me as we visit Bedla House and meet the Bedlas, who will take us through a journey of this unique traditional cuisine. So this is Bedla House. I'm in there in Udaipur, and with me is the scion of the family, Mr. Vijay Singh Bedla, and his beautiful wife Sugan Kumari ji. Namaste.
Namaste.
And thank you both for letting us into your house.
It's a
Thank you for coming.
Pleasure having you over.
No, I've been dying to come here because I've been reading about this wonderful cuisine that your family possesses literally, and I'm dying to eat it and taste it. But before that, before we start talking about food, a little bit about the history of your family, sir.
We are Chauhans, basically, and ancestor was Prithviraj Chauhan.
Okay. So straight from the lineage of Prithviraj Chauhan. When you talk of Mewar, just to get the geography of this state of Rajasthan as we call it today, together, Mewar is one region.
One region,
Yeah?
yes.
And what are the other regions of Rajasthan?
We have Marwar,
Okay.
which is Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Bardmer area. That area is known as Marwar. This area is Udaipur region, what you so-called Chittor, Baswada, Dungarpur.
Okay.
The whole region is known as Mewar.
Mewar, okay.
So different sections, different areas, and they've all clubbed in later. And one state was formed as Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
And there's no such thing as Rajasthani cuisine. Rajasthan has lately been made.
Correct.
So cuisine from Mewar, or cuisine from Marwar, or cuisine from Dhundar would be appropriate. I think the most common factor on the veg side, it has become dal bati churma,
Correct.
gatta ki saag, and
Kher Sangri.
kher sangri, and
Kher sangri and
besan chakki,
besan.
and
Absolutely.
that's on the veg side. And on the non-veg person would say lal mas.
But when I was sort of figuring out the cuisine that belongs to your family and to this region, there is so much more involved here. Yeah.
Every household, you would say, any Rajput household, and they all had their own cuisines.
Okay.
Every noble household you would go would be an extraordinary cuisine which you would be amazed.
So this current cuisine is from your family now.
Yes, just a normal cuisine every family has. We had this cuisine, Bedla cuisine. People used to really appreciate coming to a house, having food. Then one of the hotels, leading hotels, came to us, Bhabiji, why don't you share these lovely tastes with the world? Why are you keeping it to yourself?
But you don't keep it to yourself. Share it with the world.
Bilkul.
For her, it was a great experience. We were invited at Taj Palace, first experience, 97. And she's walking from a home kitchen to one of the biggest
Biggest
kitchens.
kitchen.
that she's ever seen.
Sort of
never
felt
seen.
lost.
But it's a tradition that is cook as
Yes,
well.
we all. My son Karan, he's taken over now.
I believe he's going to cook for us.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm now very excited about this cuisine. I'm going to find out a little more about it from Karan.
Yes,
And Karan actually is this gentleman,
great grandfather.
great grandfather.
So your great grandfather
He is
was
the person after whom I have named the cuisine.
that photograph up there.
Yes,
Yes.
Karan.
So
Karan,
that is Rao Bahadur.
Rao Bahadur Karan
Karan
Singh
Singh.
ji. And during his time, so many recipes bubbled up, you know. Like his theory was, go on making them, and anything, by fluke or anything which comes up and your tongue would say, wow, that's a dish. Still remains a hobby. We love entertaining guests,
Okay.
and that's a passion. To entertain guests is the thing for us.
Okay, so I'm going to go and meet Karan now.
Okay.
And I'm going to discover a cuisine in Rajasthan that I have no idea about, and I'm so eager to find out more about. Yeah? And we will meet over a meal now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Chalo,
Okay, thank
let's go and do some cooking.